India, with its vast population, rich cultural heritage, and diverse economic landscape, stands as a land of immense growth potentiality. As one of the world's fastest-growing economies, India continues to attract global attention and investment. Firstly, India's demographic advantage plays a significant role in its growth potential. With a young and dynamic workforce, India possesses a demographic dividend that can fuel economic growth and innovation. This youthful population offers a vast consumer market, driving demand and providing opportunities for businesses to thrive. Secondly, India's expanding middle class is another key factor in its growth potentiality. As income levels rise and consumption patterns evolve, the demand for goods and services is growing exponentially. This burgeoning middle class presents a massive market for industries ranging from retail and e-commerce to healthcare and education. Furthermore, India's commitment to infrastructure development is paving the way for enhanced growth opportunities. Initiatives such as the Digital India campaign and investments in transportation networks are strengthening connectivity, promoting ease of doing business, and attracting foreign investors. In addition, India's advancements in technology and digital innovation are propelling growth in various sectors. The country has emerged as a global hub for IT services, software development, and startup ecosystems. The growth of the digital economy, e-commerce, and mobile technology is revolutionizing industries and opening doors for entrepreneurial ventures. Moreover, India's strategic geographic location and trade policies contribute to its growth potentiality. With a focus on enhancing international trade relationships and export diversification, India is expanding its global footprint. It is becoming a preferred investment destination for multinational corporations seeking to tap into its large consumer base and take advantage of its skilled workforce. However, India also faces challenges on its path to unlocking its full growth potential. These challenges include infrastructural gaps, skill development, bureaucratic hurdles, and socioeconomic disparities. Addressing these issues through proactive policies and reforms will further accelerate India's growth trajectory. In conclusion, India's higher growth potentiality stems from its demographic advantage, expanding middle class, infrastructure development, technological advancements, strategic location, and trade policies. By leveraging these strengths and addressing the challenges, India can harness its immense potential and continue on its path towards becoming a global economic powerhouse.